The final part about follow last segment is to show you that this tool can be used not only for makes static mesh, static object follow another ones. You can use it for animated objects too. Let's draw something here. Something like a magical fire. Magic fire. Let me see. Position wise. Okay. Like this. One. Let decrease a little bit the size. Let's pretend that this is good. Let's put around here. Right, scale. Let me see. Okay, let's do some animation here. I'll create a keyframe here. Ctrl F2. I go here. Ctrl F2. And now I rotate a little bit. I run here. I run more or less like this point. Now we can go to create a keyframe. Same here. No, sorry. Ctrl F2. Same here. Ctrl F2, and we'll put the first frame that you used before, something right here. So I hold on the Ctrl to select this part. You can see that the color has changed here, and I go around here and copy to. You see that Arttista will draw something that indicates that you are copying the same content you selected here and at this frame to here. Copy to. Let's go. So Ctrl F2, and we got this right. I switched to spotlight mode just to work only with this animation. Okay, and I'll select everything here now. Hold on the Control, and where is it? Interpolate. You can see that Arttista draws something different, indicating the interpolation, right? So let's do it. Oh, sorry. It doesn't matter. Control Z. I have to select the object too. And animation, interpolate, and let's see. Okay. It's not good, but we will pretend that it is okay. It ends here. So I select everything here and copy to, and here I select everything here and copy to. Okay, now we have this. Now that we have this animation, we can exit the spotlight mode. We have this selected, and we will use these 2 points of the candle. No, these 2 points of the candle as the last segment. And animation, follow last segment. Okay, let's see the result. It's not good, but I know you got the idea and how to use this tool, right? Let's change a little bit. Only this. Switch the keyframe tool. When you are using the keyframe tool, everything that we did in any frame will be validated, will be affected other frames too. So let's switch a little. Let's give a little transparency here. Increase the size a little bit. Let's